In the previous video, we saw about Michaelis-Menten equation and the curve. In this video, we are going to see how to estimate the parameters from that Michaelis-Menten equation. There are two simple methods to estimate the Michaelis-Menten parameters. First method is called as Lineweaver-Burk plot or double reciprocal plot, where we have the same equation. First we have to take the reciprocal of that equation. First, this equation can be given as 1 by v. If we are taking the reciprocal, 1 by v equal to km, this km divided by Vmax Cp plus Cp divided by Vmax Cp. So this equation will change to this formula. 1 by v is equal to km Vmax by Cp plus 1 by Vmax, because this Cp and this Cp cancel out. So now this equation is similar to this equation. 1 by v km by Vmax 1 by c plus 1 by Vmax. This equation is a straight line equation. Y is equal to mx plus c. So when we plot this y value against x value, we will get the m slope, that is km by Vmax, and c y intercept 1 by Vmax. So we can find out the km and Vmax value. The plot will be like this. Next method is direct linear plot at steady state concentration. If we are giving an IV infusion, then we will be attaining this steady state concentration, that is multiple dosing, during multiple dosing. Plotting a pair of CSS, that is CSS11, concentration at steady state 1 and concentration at steady state 2 against the corresponding dosing rates, because it is a multiple dosing. So dosing rate 1 and dosing rate 2, we will be getting the following figure to get the value Km and Vmax. So CSS this side, Km this side, and this is the dosing rate. So when we plot, we will just plot the CSS against the dosing rate, and they have to join in the next side. So where the point intersects, we have to take the maximum dosing rate, that is the velocity maximum, and the same time we can get the Km value also. So in this way we will be calculating the Vmax and Km. So these are the two exercises you can try to do by yourself.